friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen chicken Kiev in the air fryer. So all we need is a package of frozen chicken Kiev, no need to defrost. Cooking it straight from frozen in the air fryer, and we need a non-stick cooking spray just to make sure the breading doesn't stick to the air fryer. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'll spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to cooking spray, you can also brush the bottom of the air fryer basket with vegetable oil. And now let's open a package of chicken Kiev and put the chicken in the air fryer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's flip chicken Kiev over so it cooks evenly. And put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the chicken Kiev. Look at that, perfectly cooked. It looks so crispy. That crispy brown breading looks amazing. Now let me take it out of the air fryer. So good. Look at this delicious crispy breading. Now let's try it. I'm so excited. Let's cut it. See, it's perfectly cooked. All that butter inside is melted. So yummy. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. Chicken Kiev is a stuffed chicken with butter. So delicious. So tasty. It's so good to make it in the air fryer. Very crispy on the outside, perfectly cooked on the inside. You're going to love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!